Even in a culture that emphasizes connectedness, there is a segment of individuals who genuinely enjoy solitude. They are often called loners. They may not be the most sociable people, but this does not mean that they dislike others. Rather, they enjoy their own company and do not feel a constant need for companionship. They may maintain a small circle of close friends or family, but for the most part they prefer their own solitude. Although it may seem strange to some, there are many remarkable qualities that those who appreciate solitude possess. In this video, we will explore some of these qualities and discuss the importance of embracing them in ourselves and in others. Fiercely independent and self-reliant. One of the most amazing qualities of people who enjoy solitude is their ability to be independent and self-reliant. They prefer to take care of their own needs rather than rely on others. They do not seek validation or happiness from external sources, but find fulfillment and satisfaction within themselves. These individuals have a clear understanding of their desires in life and fearlessly pursue them on their own terms. High sense of self-awareness. Solitary individuals have a strong sense of self-awareness. They are attuned to their innermost thoughts and emotions, enabling them to understand how their behavior and choices affect their lives. They are aware of their own limitations and needs, which makes it easier for them to recognize unfavorable situations and make informed choices. Emotional maturity. People who find solace in solitude are often emotionally mature and confident. This quality is crucial for maintaining healthy relationships and avoiding conflict. They approach situations rationally and can distinguish whether their feelings are internal or external. This emotional stability allows them to think before they act, resulting in smarter decisions and avoiding being overwhelmed. Independent thinkers. Those who spend a lot of time alone tend to be independent thinkers and skilled problem solvers. They have the ability to generate creative solutions and are skilled at recognizing patterns and thinking strategically. They make decisions based on their own values and are not easily swayed by the opinions of others. In addition, their comfort with solitude gives them the courage to take risks and explore new opportunities without being influenced by external factors. Excellent time and resource management. Individuals who prefer solitude are often highly organized and self-disciplined. They have the ability to manage their time effectively and remain focused on tasks until completion. This quality is beneficial in many areas of life, allowing them to avoid distractions and achieve their goals. Their ability to plan and follow through ensures the completion of projects and progress towards their goals. The ability to find personal entertainment. Being alone does not mean boredom for these individuals. In fact, those who are comfortable in their own company derive immense pleasure from solitude. They do not feel compelled to fill every moment with companionship, but rather have a wide range of interests to explore and engage in during their downtime. Pride in their work. People who spend a lot of time alone have an impressive work ethic. They are not satisfied with merely completing tasks, but strive for excellence in their endeavors. They understand that it is pointless to put effort into something without doing your best. By putting their heart and soul into their work, they produce higher quality results. High standards in relationships. Those who value solitude have high standards when it comes to relationships. They know what they want and are less likely to settle for inappropriate relationships. As a result, they tend to have better relationships overall. They seek companions who match their values, interests, and goals, and refuse to compromise on these essential aspects. Patience is a virtue for them as they wait for the right person to come into their lives. Intuition and insight. Not surprisingly, Individuals who enjoy solitude have ample time for introspection and contemplation. As a result, they have a keen sense of intuition and deep insight. Their natural inclination towards introversion makes them observant and attuned to the nuances of human behavior. This heightened awareness gives them an advantage in understanding people and cultivating meaningful relationships. Responsibility for actions. Those who value solitude exhibit a high degree of self-awareness and introspection, willingly taking responsibility for their actions. They are not afraid to admit their mistakes and actively work towards self-improvement. They refrain from blaming others for their circumstances and don't wallow in self-pity when things don't go as planned. Instead, they make the necessary adjustments to ensure a better outcome in the future. Ultimately, we all have unique ways of dealing with our circumstances and preferences. For those who enjoy solitude, it can be a source of strength, creativity, and deep self-understanding. The journey can be challenging, but it can also be rewarding, opening up new avenues of exploration and personal growth. Take a moment to appreciate the remarkable qualities of those who enjoy being alone. They exemplify resilience, strength, and the courage to follow their own path. Now it's your turn to share your thoughts. Can you relate? Do you enjoy being alone? If so, what is your favorite aspect of solitude? Feel free to share your comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends so we can continue to create content like this. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Also, be sure to check out our other informative content. Thanks for watching.